The sign says cougar, and I'm looking for him, but I can't see him. But he's right there. He's right on top of us, up there. And he's looking down on us here. He's a pretty good size, too. And he's just lounging in the sun, partially in the shade, taking it easy. He's not going to move around for us, I guess. But there, you can see his face there a little bit. I don't know. Come around this side here. He's looking at us through there. But that's the cougar. Okay. Here we have the American black bears. And they're right there. He's coming up to the fence here close to me. And there's two of them in there. He's looking around. He's saying, well, I can't get out of here. I can't bite Ed, so I don't know. There's the other guy back there. They were in a little scuffle earlier here. He's pacing back and forth here, so I don't know. But okay, say bye to the American black bears here. Okay, there he goes. Uh-oh, scuffle. Scuffle's ensuing here. No, maybe not. Okay. The other guy's coming over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, Fight Club. Fight Club here. Could be Fight Club. I don't know. Okay. I don't know what that guy is, but he sure is pretty looking. Coming down here, we're going to follow him, see what he's going to do here. He's going to stop. He's going to let us take a look at him here, maybe. A couple guinea fowls up there. Okay, we'll let him be in peace. He's right here in the pavement. Not a good spot for a video, but best I can do while he's still. I'll zoom out so you can see him. I don't know if he opens his feathers or not, or what this is, but he walks around here pretty friendly. I'll see if I can get closer. Well, here we have a little birdie here. He's going to sit on my finger here. No, no, no. He'll sit on my finger. He's right here. He's right here. He's very close to me. He very flew away. But here's all the goldfish in the pond. And I don't know if that's koi or goldfish or what. You can see it in there. But there's ducks in there too. And our buddy is back here. I'm going to see if I can come in closer to him here. Let's see how close I can get to him. See if he's going to be really close. He's close. He's close by. Yeah, yeah. Look how close he is. You can almost touch him here, I think. Just about. Just about. You can touch him. He's right next to me. Look at that blue around his eye and everything here. So, there he is. He's right here. Okay, there he goes. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. They were just here. He's climbing up there. Like telling me to get out of here. He's saying, I don't know. Look, he's picking up the shoe there. I was like, come on, get out of here. Sorry, buddy, I gotta go. There's one guy climbing up. There's another guy on the swing there. He's jumping around. A couple guys up top there. These are the capuchin monkeys. And every time I get the camera out, they go away. But they're inside there anyhow.
He's so smart. Look at him. Oh, silly.
I think these are emus, and they're close to the fence right here. There's another Mr. Emu back there. Hello, how are you doing? How's the weather here? How do you like New Mexico? Is it pretty good? It's all right. Okay. How about you? How do you like it here? It's not too bad. Okay. All right, Mr. Emu. Got to move on here. Okay. This is a Reven's Montauk. And a whole bunch of peacocks over there. They were just sitting up here on the fence. And, but they all flew away from me. So they're all going away. Peacocks have the roam of the place here. So Mr. Reven's Montauk is scratching himself there in front of me. Can't get any closer. I don't want to drop my camera over there. So, okay. A couple peacocks coming over, but no, they stopped. Reven's Montauk, I think is what it said. Oh, and we got all the peacocks all went back up there. Oh, Mr. Reven. Oh, he's not going to turn around now. He was just right up close to me. Oh well. There you go, Mr. Reven. You're right close to me now. Reven's Montauk. You were a little bit closer. But this is only in 1080 here, so if it's mixed in with the 4K, this is just 1080. Sorry, because I got the zoom on this camera. Okay. I think the cougar is out, but he's going away from me there. See if I can come around this side and get him, maybe. There he is. One slimmer than the other one. This guy here, he's right here in front of us here. So I think that's Mr. Cougar. One might be a miss, the other one a mister. I don't know. Oh, the other guy's sitting in the shade way over there. So let's see, Mr. Cougar. Hello. He's not going to look at me. Couldn't be bothered with me here. Oh well. Going back here. They're both there. Yeah, moving away. Going back. Okay. See you later. There's a little guy over there, he's feeding himself, but he's partially in the shade. So I have this on manual focus, so I don't know how good it's going to be here. I'll move around, see if I can get in a little bit better here, but no, he's facing the wrong way. There he is, he looked back a little bit, there he is. Yeah.